Hi! In front of me is NOKIA G22 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, go into Settings. Then you need to tap on Notifications and tap on App Settings. Following that, just click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications, like Voice Recorder. You can always switch them back on the same way. If you wish to, you can also just click on one of your apps instead and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!